Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to save your Canva design to PC. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do, go to the Canva. So as you can see, here is one of my YouTube thumbnail. So I want to download or save it into my PC. So how you can do that is very simple. As you can see, here is the share button right over here. You need to tap on the share. All right, then go to the download option. And from here, if you doesn't have any kind of like pro account, then you can't go with these options. Okay, compress file, lower size, you can do this, and transparent background, you can do this as well. So what you can simply do is to go to the tap on this file type, and as you can see, here are lots of file types over here. You can go with any of these. So if you're just wanting to have a photo, then you can go with the PNG or JPG. Okay, so for me, let's just go with the PNG, and then you need to simply download. All right, and then it will start downloading, then ask you permission, and then here is the photo. So that's how it is. Very simple, guys. That's how you can simply download Canva design into PC. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.